Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how do you add products on your Teespring store. So firstly, open up your Teespring account. So go to your website and log into your Teespring account. So once you've logged into your Teespring account, so what you have to do is on your left menu here, so click on your stores and this should show your store, and then you can click on edit store. Click on edit store once you're on your edit option here, and on your left panel here, you'll see products option. So click on products, and then once you click on products here, you should be able to add your product, or if you don't have anything to add, so you can at least create a product. All right, so you'll come up with this page here. So here, like mine, I don't have any products, I didn't create any products, so I didn't set up any products to add, so that's why it's nothing here. So I have to create a product. But if you have already created a product, then your product will display here. So all you have to do is choose that and then click on this add option here, and that's it. So if you click on the add option, then it will add to your Teespring store, and that's pretty much it is. Hope this information video is helpful. I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.